Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. And I want to show you guys this pouch that I made reusing materials. Now I actually reused and repurposed this insulated lunch bag container. One side of it wasn't that great anymore, so I decided to reuse it and use every part of it to make this pouch, including the thread, the outer shell, the foam in the middle, and this water-resistant white layer on the inside, and the webbing or trim on the insulated lunch bag. And basically created something like this here. You can see I used every part of that insulated lunch bag to create this. That was the trim on the top, and I made it, well, back on the top again. I actually had to add some extra thread at the top. You can see the green thread is here now, the white thread is here now, that trim is on the top. You can see the inside of it, so it is kind of water resistant to a certain degree. So a nice easy thing that I made, and repurposing and reusing something that was kind of not in a useful state, but now it's back into a useful state again. So if you enjoyed this video, do like the picture shows and give me a big jumbo thumbs up. And remember, as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video from me, from the guy that's in creation mode 98.6% of the time, it's peace out from Creative Redundancy. CR out.